What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Dslr. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to install Gcam in the Poco X3 Pro, the best version and the best config part 4. But before that starts, I would like to say one thing. This video is sponsored by myshopprime.com. And you know what, this is actually basically an online website which is basically like Flipkart and other stuff. But you know what, in this website you are going to get almost all kinds of products. From here you can see all the products are there. You can go in men and check everything from watches to wearables to everything. And yeah, this store has a lot of good things. And you know what, a sale is going on in this store where you can get like 3 4 watches for very less price. And you know what, this is 100% legit, and you're going to get your refund as well if you don't like the product. And you can also order with cash on delivery. So yeah, if you're interested in this, you can make sure you order one of the products from this website. This will help my channel as well as my friend a lot. So yeah, that's about this website. Now let's talk about the best Gcam for the Poco X3 Pro part 4. Now this is basically my Poco X3 Pro and this is the Gcam I'm using right now. And a lot of you guys think, okay, this is good enough, but how did I get here? How did I got this Gcam which is the best ever? So let's get started again. Now many people were saying that there is no config, now config isn't working or something like that. So I'm going to help them as well. So first of all, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go in Chrome and just go here and type Gcam. That's it. Once you type, just go here and type Gcam. That's it. Once you have written Gcam, you have to scroll down and find this website called Gcam, whatever. Now from here you have to scroll down. You have to download the latest version. Okay. Now this is very important. As right of now I'm using the Pixel Experience Plus, but you can use anything to download the Gcam. So just download this BSG MGC 8.1.101 and it is version G1W. Okay, so just download this GV1W. Just download this, press on OK. Now what you need to do is let's just wait for the Gcam to download. By the time you can delete the old Gcam. If you have any of the old Gcam, just delete it, no problem in that. And now you can see I actually have a config here right now, and this is like my own config. I have made this config myself and I'm gonna share it with you guys. Okay, so if you want this config, the link is in the description. You will get to know how to get that config. So yeah, this is the Gcam downloading. So once it is downloaded, just wait for the Gcam to download. Once it's downloaded, tap on the Gcam, install it. Now let's just wait a bit so that it can install better. So it does take up a bit of time to install. Obviously it is Google Camera, it does take up a time. And right now this is actually, I just installed a new screen protector. You guys can see it looks absolutely fantastic. So now we have downloaded the Gcam, it is here. And now what you need to do is you just need to tap on the Gcam. Okay, just tap on the Gcam and just give it all the permissions while using the app, because otherwise it won't work properly. So there you go, it's installed, but it won't work that well right now. What you do is just double tap on the blank area, tap on downloads, and here you will get the config I have given you in the description. Just tap on that and then you can see this is how the Gcam is gonna work. Now after doing that, basically you have to do nothing, just disable raw photos, enable Google AWD, that is auto white balance, and that's pretty much it. Your photos are gonna look incredibly awesome. Let me take a selfie of mine while recording, because let me show you my setup right now. So here I am recording and I'm just trying to take a selfie of mine. I think it's looking really awesome, right? So yeah, there you go. As you guys can see, this is the selfie itself. Wow, yeah, that's really awesome, man. Like, I don't know about the camera itself, but look at the dynamic range. It focused on even the details in this, mesh is also looking absolutely awesome. The smartphone is looking absolutely awesome. So yeah, the detailing is awesome. So that's how you can get the best quality of Gcam for the Poco X3 Pro. This is part 4. Basically, I'm gonna give you the link in the description. Download from there. And yes, make sure, please at least just visit the website. Even if you don't want to buy anything, just at least visit the website, because yeah, that website is really well made. And I just prefer that website over a lot of websites, because yeah, that website is just really awesome. So make sure you visit this website. You can find a lot of things here. You can find, like, let's try to see bags, let's see wallets. You can find wallets here as well. So yeah, this is a really awesome website. Like, you can actually buy some legit good stuff in some great pricing from this website. It's all over India. Anywhere you live in India, you can order any stuff from this. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.